Hi, yeah. How's your dinner? How's your dinner? Zella slept through dinner tonight, so now she's having a midnight snack. It's actually only about 5 after 7. How's your dinner? Is it yummy? She's having some cheese and some bread. Mmm. That's so good? Yeah, bread. Mmm. Yum, yum, yum. And Sasha's having a little snack too. Okay. What? What? Is that yummy?
And now?
Okay. Say bye.